famous Mr. Napoleon Murphy Brock back at the red sofa that's back there. You'll find it. Is that right? Guess who's going to be doing the interview?
Who? I can't imagine.
Oh, we'll find somebody. We'll find somebody. He'll have to dress. Yeah, it might be. I had to put the microphone right for that. Okay, right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for some music. Mats Öberg, Napoleon Murphy Brock. That's the mayor. Okay, guys.
Lass die Kühe fliegen!
Yeah, here it goes. Napoleon Murphy Brock, Mats Öberg, Peach Noise. Experience. Go do it.
Spread your wings.
Yeah. It's been a long time. I'd like to introduce you to Nicholas, and he will tell you who he is.
Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to the Beach Noise Experience with Napoleon Murphy Brock.
Hey!